Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown on the road. It's about 3:30 Eastern Time on Friday with some cash commodity commentary. The cotton market today backed off a little bit initially, but then really stuck in and rallied back. We actually saw December new crop take out 83.5, while the spot March was up, as well as the soon-to-be crowned front leader May contract also strong today. We probably reflective of the good exports we had out yesterday. As you know, we sold about 185,000 bales. Last week's sale number was about 90,000. Of course, China is on holiday for the next 10 days, the Lunar New Year celebration. Shipments yesterday were a little less than last week, but last week was a marketing year high, 440,000. We did sell about 358,000, so not too bad. Interestingly, we had a couple of generous call us today to say they had, as of today, they had completely sold out of their old crop cotton, and they felt like they weren't alone across the cotton belt. If that is the case, that's just that much less selling pressure that may come on this old crop. So as we march towards the delivery period for the March contract, which is today week, it should be pretty interesting to see if the market could rally up higher and take out that January cycle high. Next Friday also, the USDA has their agricultural forum, and we'll start getting some information on that early next week. Of course, you know the markets are closed Monday for Mr. Washington's birthday, and we'll resume trading at Monday evening about 7 o'clock or so. Over in the corn today, corn, beans, and wheat all slightly higher, but mixed. As you know, they've been pummeled lately. Corn's been down 11 consecutive days. Beans maybe 9 or 10. Wheat maybe 9 or 10. Part of that's because of the shifting weather or improving weather in the South America, and also the global grain trade is shifting emphasis away from the U.S. down to the South American continent. So that's a sort of a normal thing. But also there was talk or belief of big hedge funds that were liquidating. A particular bank out of London announced that it would no longer carry hedge business, and so those long-only index funds found themselves liquidating their positions, and that did carry down corn, beans, and wheat to an extent this week, as well as the metals, as well as livestock. February notoriously is a month that's very choppy, sloppy, and sideways, but we should post some type of February low pretty quick and begin at least a sideways, if not upward slant, as you go into the new season. So we'll see what next week brings for us. It's an abbreviated week. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call at 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.